Alright, so progression so far. It's just magnetised there, obviously. First looking the goods, it's not quite where it should be sitting. And obviously I've got to bend it over a little bit more into there once I tack it in place. And I've got the piece that also comes down, the wheel arch that comes down there. But now I'm thinking I might even chop this out and plate that. I don't know. Started giving the tailgate a sand and it's full of bog all through there. So I stopped. I'm going to fill that back over for now until I get another bumper, tailgate. And I'll just bulk these up. And then get a new one a couple of weeks time or something. Otherwise, that's where I am at the moment. Got the other plate made. Still got to clean up a little bit more behind there. Yeah, if you guys have got any ideas on how I should have done this for next time I do something like this, put it down in the comments. Otherwise, I think I'm on the right track here. Cool. Alright, this is day 3. Yes, it's a bit of a mess. I think I've been rushing it. Some of the welds have been coming out okay. Some of them, like this one here, not so bad. Oh, not so good, sorry. Here, blowing a hole. Here, bit of a gap. So I think I just need to slow down and just put a bit more effort into it. Do it once, do it right. But in fairness as well, this is like the second time I've done it. Sorry, I do have have allergies at the moment, which is why I didn't do anything yesterday. And the inside in here doesn't look so bad. A lot thicker steel in here as well, so I'll give it a grind back, and then I will tack it up some more and take my time with it. But on a bonus, I have my tyres, 2 of my tyres, so they're going to look much better on the ute. I'll get the other 2 next week. So yeah, sorry, I'm not exactly with it today, but I've been wanting to get this done, and it looks better than a great big hole, that's for sure. So haters can probably hate on this one. But that's where we're up to so far.